Hello, distance teachers. So today I wanted to walk you through how to use Zoom and some of the features that I really like about it. I am enlisting a couple of my nerdlings with their permission to kind of interact with me while we do this. So you can kind of see what students will see and how you can use different features and different functions within the Zoom app. So the very first thing you're going to need to do is create a Zoom profile. Right now, as you can see, the limit has been lifted due to the coronavirus and so many teachers having to go through distance learning. So I am going to come up to here to host a meeting. I can do it with video on or video off, and you can do a screencast to share. You're then going to be able to launch it. So as you see right here, I can open Zoom. I'll click open. I'm going to join with my computer audio. And now I am going to invite participants. So it's going to bring this screen up right here. You're going to be able to copy the URL. You can then paste this into an email. So now I'm going to go into my email. I started an email with my beautiful helpers. So I'm going to paste in that URL and send it off to them. So once they get that, they're going to start joining my classroom. So they should be joining any minute now. While I'm waiting for them to join, I'm going to kind of walk you through some of the features down below. So one of the nice things that you can do is choose a virtual background. So I've kind of already uploaded some pictures here. I'm going to click on this little DNA guy and choose that virtual background. Right now, you can't really see it just because I'm already using my recorder to record the video. But as you can see up here, I have some of my amazing students. And so they can either take themselves off, they can mute themselves. You guys can wave and say hi. So one of the other features that you can do, they can actually like raise their hands. So if you guys want to go into our little chat, and if I said, you know, what is square root of pi? They could raise their hand virtually to answer a question. You can kind of go through what participants you have here. If you wanted to invite more, you could go and share your link there. And let's see. So you can click on individual students, and you can also use this, which is a different view. So this shows us our gallery view. And again, the reason that my picture is not showing up here is because I'm already using my camera to record this screencast for you. And so Lane raised her hand right here, so she could give me an answer, maybe. And I can either call on her or I can make her lower her hand. So that's one of the functions. I can also mute the students if I need to mute my students. And so I can click on Lane or Talia. I can stop their videos. I can actually allow them to be a host. So this feature might be interesting if you want to allow them to present something online to the rest of the community. So I think that was pretty much all of the basics that I wanted to go over with you. So thank you, girls. I really appreciate it. And after that, you can click on this lovely button right here, End Meeting, and click End Meeting for all. So that's going to end the meeting for all of your students. A nice thing that Zoom also offers is you can actually take that link and copy paste it into your calendar. You can create a meeting with your students. For example, if your students have that Outlook function on their email account, you can actually paste that in and invite them to a meeting at a specific time that will get put onto their reminder calendar. So things like, iPhones, iWatches, or Apple Watches will actually have those meetings end with you. So I know that was a little bit spur of the moment, but I hope that kind of helped. I personally probably prefer Zoom just because it has a few more functions, and it also has, that cute little, you can add your own background. So that might kind of help keep things interesting for your students. Well, I hope to see you all in real life soon. So take care of yourselves and have a fantabulous day.